Do you guys remember this app that I created recently with Caffeine AI? Well, guess what? It doesn't work anymore because there are some technical issues, and it says that go live failed to install backend canister. And honestly, I spent the whole day making this app, and now it is stuck, it is broken. So I did try to reproduce this app. So I took all the specs and I just created a new app and I let Caffeine AI work. But Caffeine AI cannot make it. Okay. Looks like the specs are too long, and I wouldn't say this app is super advanced, you know. There is something like an admin section, stuff like that, but it shouldn't be that difficult for Caffeine AI to spend like I don't know an hour making this code and just make it happen. Well, it cannot happen, okay? So I just told Caffeine AI, make make a simple app, So I started from the beginning, but after a few attempts, I got the same error. Okay, so failed to install backend canister. Okay, now I created also this one, um, but this one is completely broken. As you can see, like the theme and everything is not good. And also I got some errors on the front end, unfortunately. So I don't know like what really happened, but since last Caffeine AI update, the app is super slow and or slower rather. Okay, it's not as slow, but there are some technical issues with it. So hopefully they fix it. But now I'm stuck. I do not know what to do about my app because yeah, I'm happy with the features. Everything is included. But now I'm stuck. So I created a new forum thread, and as you can see, I'm describing it here. But there's no response from Definity. I don't know what Definity is thinking, but a custom domain name verification should be already included for Caffeine AI because nobody is willing to have a domain name like, uh, you know, Hatenat dash LM S dash caffeinei dot XYZ, and honestly, it should be here like custom domain, boom, verify, set up DNS records, you're good to go. So, so this is definitely missing, and so this is just to let you know that Caffeine AI is way from perfect. I've been saying this, but they looks like listen to I don't know if my feedback. I know that some of Definity guys watch my videos because I get pretty decent views now, and I also sent my feedback to them. And now Coffee and I ask you more questions before generating new stuff, okay, new code. So, like for example, here, it is asking more questions first, before it generates something. So that's cool. It's getting smarter, but as for now, it is broken, and I'm feeling like stuck now because I would really like to push my app and make it like public and stuff like that. Show it to my friends and stuff like that. But now I'm stuck and I do not know like what to do with it. I cannot make a new one because it's giving me other, you know, um, errors as you can see like here. Fail to install packet canister. You know, Now, question is like if you spend like I don't know days in making something and then it just tells you, it's done deal. You cannot use this app. Like, what's the point? Something like this shouldn't happen. So that's basically it. I also want to mention that I did try to use their Discord, But this is full of scammers. Okay, this is unbelievable. I do not understand in first place why they use even Discord. You ask a question and you get like two or three scammers telling you, "Oh, here is our ticket system, join there and blah blah blah." Every time I report those scammers, as you can see, but this Discord is a joke, complete joke. So I'm not sure, like Divinity, like what is this really? Why you do not prefer OpenChat over something like this? Because OpenChat, you know what it is. You can just verify users. They then cannot scam you. Uh, you know there are no bots, anything like that. Because you have to identify yourself with the side ID. So we have the tech, but I don't understand why they still use like something like this. Honestly, this place is completely corrupted. Okay, there are bots, there are just scammers, some random guys, and that's it. It is not really like something that I would like to be in. Like this is like basically Sonic's also Discord channel, full of scammers waiting for opportunities. Um, yeah, so that's me ranting today a little bit about Caffeine AI. Hopefully they managed to fix this. They add some really important features. I also forgot to mention that I couldn't figure out what my app's canister is, because I was told that it is something in the dashboard of my app, but there's only this. There's nothing else. So only my app's ID. This is not my canister. So I was like, how do I find this? I was asking everywhere and I didn't get the answer. So I figured out that it is like in the code, So I just used console, uh, and I just did it. Okay. So overall, that's it, guys. Make sure to join our ICP Kingdom on OpenChat. Yeah, this is the place you wanna be in. We are only 4 members. If you join, you pay a fee 0.11 ICP. This is to support me and my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.